Hello, Post-Lab Jakarta. My name is Rick. I'm a lecturer from Muhammadiyah University of Riau, just a little province in Sumatra. A few days ago, I received a letter of invitation named Research Dive Development, powered by Bank of Indonesia and held by you. So, in the mentioned letter, you we were offered four kind of tasks will be that will utilize a big data that consists of um, probably hundreds of thousands or millions of data related about economy, household income, credit information, or ride hailing. So from the four offered tasks, I picked two of them. First is the household household data, and the task I preferred is the second one and the fourth one, which the second one is about household, and the fourth one is about the natural hazard. So you may ask us about how should we deal or uh, take take some measure about the data itself. So uh, as you may have read from my late article, which I embed my video in, I I will utilize machine learning and artificial intelligence model to get some pattern of the data you given to us. So how do I does it? uh, I have developed some both software, which is named ML5 and statistic, as you may suggest. This boilerplate will provide data scientists to of a platform that will allow them to utilize the machine learning model like backpropagation or LSTM for interpreting data out of millions. Okay, not to waste time, let me show you how I does it. This is the boilerplate I mentioned about. It was written in JavaScript, but I used a more specific version of it. So let's say we are about to handle the second task, the household data. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Brain is require brain. You can read further about it on the internet. And net is new brain neural network. Okay, neural network is a model that tries to mimic the interconnection of neurons of a brain. So you can read more about it later. Net train set like this. So let's say that we are going to set an input layer like this, an output layer. Input and output. It will come to it will come in a form like this. Let's say family 1. Family 1 is a family. Let's say we are going to use three variables like household, income, and spending. The the first family we are going to train is a family with 5 members. So two parent and 3 children. This family, both parents earn about 6 million a month and spend around 3 a month. This is the input layer, and the output is something we train the model with. So let's say this kind of family is maybe categorized as middle income. So we set the economy class is ranged from 0 to 5. Okay, so from like this. 1 is for poor, 2 is very poor, 2 is kinda poor, and 3 is somewhere in the middle, and 4th is quite wealthy, and the 5th grade is somehow rich. Okay, from the given data, we are going to train the computer to think of it as middle income. Okay, let's set a family 2. Family 2 is a very poor family with 8 member of family and 1 million earning, 1 million spending, and let's train the system with 1. They are very poor. Okay, family 2, let's input with a family of 3, 2 parent and 1 children, and they earn about 8 million a month and spend about 6 million a month. Okay, let's then train the model with this is a rich family. Okay, the trade is you cannot train a machine learning model with integer more than 1, because machine learning model can only accept values range from 0 to 1 indefinitely. Okay, so let's convert the aforementioned training set with 0.5, 0.6, 0.3, 0.3, 0.8, 0. Yeah, you know the drill. Okay, 0.3, 0.8, 0.6, 0.1, 0.5. Okay, this is the kind of data that system will allow to process. Okay, we have set the brain object, the new network, and the training set. Now let the computer generate the function that will help us to predict the class. This is the classification function. Let to function. Now we are ready to fit the data and allow the model to predict the result. Okay, let's say we find a family with 4 member 0.3 earning and 0.2 spending, and then console log it to the system. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The system will process and will show you how it thinks about the data. So they say, the computers say that this family is kinda below the third class by a little. So as you can see, it's more close akin to the middle income family. That's what the machine learning model algorithm allow us to uh, interpret uh, interpret information from a vast amount of data. So that's only from three family we trained the system with. How if we were to set a lot of family into the system until family 1000, family 10,000, family 1 million, and family 10 million? How smart the machine learning will be. The last thing we need to do is to provide the model and system with a lot of data, and that's what I beg you to help me with. So this is so if you want to learn more about what I did with this system, you may check my GitHub profile, github.com Ricky Perdana. It's a kind of social media for programmers. Well, yes, I must admit I am a economic lecturer with no background of science degree, but I do love programming so much. So as you can see here, I have coded a lot. So you may check up. This is my works. Hospital information system, statistic, blah blah blah. And I do hope that you invite me to Jakarta to show me what I could offer you with. I'm sorry if I were to show off. I don't mean to. But if you don't find me feasible for the project or research, I do hope that you find my works useful and use it for the best of your works. It's me, Ricky Perdana. Thanks for hearing me out. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.